so I was listening to Dipender Goyal's podcast.
I should be the one calling myself out, Dippy, you are being toxic, you should get out of here. You just can't avoid these things.
टीम के बारे में बहुत ज्यादा बात हुई है, but see there is a catch to this. He said कि if Friday 6:30 a task came, if a person is saying I can do it on Monday.
No, some businesses are 24/7.
Downside of working with Zomato. So as a founder, it's your job to solve the problems the team can't. And ये recently हमने भी discover किया, there has to be a invisible hierarchy. So second was right to disconnect. Very bad for the person who is listening the news. So never talk about markets. Last year I was fortunate enough to start with 2 billionaires, but I don't know how to make person of a crore rupee salary work. Okay guys, so I was listening to Dipender Goyal's podcast and I'm coming from my hometown Meerut. It's a very long drive. So I've heard a 1.5 hour long of the podcast and actually the great part is it's one of the podcasts जहाँ पे ना टीम के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा बात हुई है and you know I just love the conversation because how unfiltered the conversation was actually very surprising. The things that they talked about कि उन्होंने कैसे फायर किया लोगों को, you know क्यों फायर किया लोगों को, वो भी टॉप मैनेजमेंट को, IPO के बाद ऑफिस के अंदर कौन सा एनवायरनमेंट चेंज हुआ, ऑफिस के अंदर वो एथलेटिक या फिर फैमिली लाइक वर्क कल्चर प्रमोट करते हैं, हाउ इज इट लाइक, मतलब मजा आ गया. So I just thought of making this video because the conversation was so candid and so unfiltered. So I think that everybody should know this because वो 4 घंटे का podcast है और मैंने टीम वाला 1.5 घंटे का पूरा पार्ट सुना. So I'll tell you, first thing that they talk about was there are 2 types of culture. One is the athletic culture, like you know you always have to be there, work for it, can't have excuses, can't complain. And second is the vulnerable culture where you know the founder is being very honest कि guys the numbers are very low, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, ये problem हो गई. So Raj asked him कि you know आपका culture कौन सा है, which side of the table you are. So one thing that he said, which I'm like 100% aligned is,
why do they have to be different boxes? I think they can be the same box.
And which is true. Like for example, I made a video on this saying you know December has been extremely low. ये problems है, हमारे brands के revenue down है, हमारे revenue down है, ROI meet नहीं हो रहा. That is a vulnerability side. सेकेंड आता है सॉल्यूशन साइड. सो नाउ लेट्स वर्क ऑन एफिशिएंसी. ये 3 हमारे वीक फैक्टर्स हैं, इस पे वर्क करते हैं. लेट्स गो अहेड एंड देन लेट्स सॉल्व इट. तो ये 2 साइड हैं जो एक बॉक्स के अंदर फिट हो सकते हैं. आई थिंक दैट इज द बेस्ट कॉम्बिनेशन आल्सो because eventually you know until unless the team don't know the reality they won't understand the point of view of the founder and conflicts will happen. Secondly, which I feel is even more important, if you will only go with the problems as a founder, not with the solutions, then what are you getting paid for? So as a founder, it's your job to solve the problems the team can't and support the team in the tough times. So it's I think the combination of both of it that eventually works out. So second was right to disconnect. Now ये मुझे बहुत interesting लगा because government have recently introduced a norm कि you know office cannot approach you after the office hours, you know, and you cannot be in the meetings, you cannot be in the calls. So Raj asked him, you know, what's your point of view? So Dipender very interestingly said, we don't ask the team to be connected, the team is itself connected, and that is what it makes a Zomato team, and that's actually very true. Because he said कि if Friday 6:30 a task came, if a person is saying I can do it on Monday, no.
Some businesses are 24/7. You just can't avoid these things.
And then Raj said, you know, what about work-life balance? You know, people have personal life, people have families. See, he said there is always a way. You know, and we're not saying कि तुम खुद बैठो. Ask somebody कि यार today I'm a little occupied. Can you do this for me? And it will be a great help. And then eventually the problem gets solved. Or maybe ask your family.
I'll make up for it the next day. I'll stay at home on Monday, but I have to do this today.
So I like the approach. I like the mindset. You know, because there is always a reason. There is a lack of reason to say no, but there is only one reason to say yes, that it has to be done. And I think in your team also you need to develop that culture. But see, there is a catch to this. When this thing happens, you cannot go home. You know, you also have to be there and solve it. Most of the times. Like for example, they said कि उनका holiday heavy business है. New Year's हो गए, Sundays हो गए, Saturdays हो गए, 40% revenue उनका Friday, Saturday, Sunday आता है. तो team has to be very active. They make the processes like this that eventually it makes sense for the team as well as for them. Or New Year's हो गया, Holi हो गया, Diwali हो गया. So the founders as well as the team, they are in the office because it's a hospitality business. If a person in the restaurant is coming and cooking, then in that case we also have to make sure that the cooked food also gets served. So yeah, very interesting I believe. And a very important topic to discuss. The next very interesting thing was the 5 co-founders left after the IPO. And you know, one of the co-founders also said कि you know they were just getting burned out while working. You know, there was a long conversation. They were talking about the KPIs and you know, team was not working that much. But the good part that I liked was the conversation of Dipender along with his team. Because in companies what happened, they have the HR teams. और HR में दो तरह की teams होती हैं, एक होती है recruitment team और एक होती है internal management team. So he said we have only recruitment team and HR. The internal management is done by us only, the core team. And if anybody is leaving, especially in the core team, he sits himself, explain them the reasons. Ki guys, it's not working out for Zomato. They're taking the decision for Zomato, which I feel is really good. Because you know, अगर आप ये process HR से कराओगे ना, extremely professional, but very bad for the person who's listening the news. Why? Because there'll always be a dilemma and a question कि यार ये हुआ. That's I think the key takeaway, and we also try to do the same. मतलब, but you know, we are a 80 people team and there are 5,000 people team. You sometimes things to delegate. But yeah, but since they are still doing that as the people of 5,000, so I'm sure we also can do it. So yeah, I think that's a major key takeaway for you. Next thing that we discussed was the downside of working with Zomato. Now, it's a very technical point, try to understand. First, he took 10 minutes to think कि मेरा downside है क्या, but there was a downside. One thing that he told was, एक office में ना एक hierarchy होना बहुत important है, बहुत critical है. Because क्या होता है, I do not know how companies manage who say there is no hierarchy, but I don't feel there can be a place where hierarchy cannot exist. So for example, अगर हमारी performance team की बात करें, first it comes me because I'm performance marketer first. Then there is Ishan. Ishan is the head of business now. So Ishan एक time पे performance marketer थे. उसके बाद वो senior performance marketer बने, फिर वो manager बने इस department के, then वो head of business बने. So you know, now he's head of business who takes care of multiple, but he also takes care of performance if things are not right. Then there is Navneet who is the captain of the entire department. Then there are admirals, 5 senior marketers. Then there are team under them. Then there is interns. So there's a huge hierarchy and it can't operate. So he said
there is like zero structure. We don't have hierarchies.
And somebody new joins into the office. They are in a dilemma. You know, what will happen to us? You know, where will we go and how will we operate? And you know, Raj keep on asking Dipender कि नहीं ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है. But you know, Dipender very smartly answered one thing. You know, when somebody asked how is my growth gonna look like and everything. So you know, the answer is कि you know,
just look around. There's so many people who have been here for years. Are we not looking? हम खुश हैं? तुम्हें लगता है हमारी जिंदगी में कुछ मिसिंग है? सब ठीक है ना? तेरे लिए भी हो जाएगा. कैसे होगा? मुझे नहीं पता.
So it's a very comforting answer to the person, no doubt about it. But according to me, see what we follow internally, there is hierarchy. There is 100% hierarchy everywhere. Because you know, according to me, without hierarchy, things can't be delegated. It can't move. But there has to be an invisible hierarchy. Hierarchy है. बट आप ना किसी को सीनियर, जूनियर, रिपोर्टिंग मैनेजर, अंडर, ये वर्ड्स यूज नहीं होते हैं और ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं करना. आपने देखा होगा हमारे कितने वीडियोस में मैनेजर की जगह कैप्टन्स बोलते हैं, एडमिरल्स बोलते हैं, उसके बाद हम क्रू मेट्स बोलते हैं. तो हमने हायरार्कीज इस तरीके से बनाई हुई है. एंड आई एम नॉट द सीईओ, आई एम द फाउंडर. ठीक है. एंड वी वर्क एज अ टीम. सो इंटरनली जो कैप्टन है, आपके लिए मैनेजर है, उसको पता होता है कि भाई मेरे डिपार्टमेंट के अंदर ये हायरार्की है. बट इवेंचुअली जब हम लोग उस टीम के साथ काम करते हैं, वी डू नॉट ट्रीट देम लाइक, लेट्स से एक माइक्रो टीम है, उसमें एक एडमिरल है, इसको एसोसिएट बोलते हैं और उसके अंदर 3 लोग वर्क करते हैं. बट व्हेन दे आर गोना पिच एनीथिंग, इट विल बी लाइक एडमिरल 1, 2, 3. So it's never like this, it's always in a straight line. And ये recently हमने भी discover किया कि you know, let's have hierarchy, but let's not make it very visible to the people. Otherwise it will be a big problem because you know, it's a very discomforting space. I understand from where Dipender is coming and he's absolutely right. Those conversations make the delegation little tough. So when मैं office आ गया हूँ, we'll do the rest of the conversation upstairs. So guys, I came a little early. Nobody's at office. So I'll just quickly finish this because टुडे इट्स ट्यूसडे. बहुत सारी मीटिंग्स अलाइन हैं बिकॉज नया साल है और ब्रांड्स को बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रो करना है. तो हमने काफ़ी सारे ग्रोथ प्लान्स बनाए हैं. Okay, so next thing that they started discussing about was increments, and which is a very BAU part of the business. जो होते रहते हैं, you know, होते भी रहने चाहिए. One thing that Raj asked was कि you know, आप increments कैसे figure out करते हो और you know, आप कैसे figure out करते हो किसको कितना increment देना है, what is the right number. And then you know, Raj said कि let's say somebody came and say कि वे मुझे 100% इंक्रीमेंट चाहिए because you know other companies offering me this. Dipender said a very good thing, you know. He said
no, if the conversation has gotten to that point where they care about discovering the market, we have failed.
It's the end of the conversation. You can just go because you know beyond that point, that trust won't come. Getting my point? That trust of working together and understanding each other won't come, and that will be a bigger problem if even if they give that 100% increment. So never talk about markets. But see, there are two sides of the table. ये तो एक employer side था, but employer should also make sure that the team is getting good compensation when they are working for you in the long term. Obviously, they are market rates. So देखो, there will be some company which will be in a scarcity of one position, which can be able to give them more money. That's never a problem. But the more important thing is the how you have been taking care of that person for a long time, as well as not just out of position and everything, especially by money. Because you need to make your team financially very, very good in order to make sure they work with you long term. You cannot operate at a very cost, low, salary effective model. It's a very bad model to operate in. So yeah, I think the conversation between Dipender and Raj was, I think, extremely unfiltered, and that is why I'm making this video. Because this is unfiltered with Arjav. When I listened to this such an unfiltered conversation. So, and honestly, see, I worked not just Dipender. Last year I was fortunate enough to start with 2 billionaires, right? And I worked with them in a lot of depth, and I have seen the working. And they were very good things, but there were bad things also. And तुम्हें कुछ सिखा के नहीं जाएगा कि ऐसे कर लो, ऐसे मत करो, या फिर स्वयं God will not come to tell you कि this is the process. You need to observe from the environment, absorb, grasp, and eventually execute. I still remember I used to do an internship one place, and it was such a bad environment. I learned from that place what not to do, and it was a great learning for me. Because when I was intern, I also saw लोग कब गाली दे रहे हैं, and I need to figure out कि अच्छा ये नहीं करना. And then I worked with Lenskart, and I worked with so many brands lately. And Lenskart के साथ तो we were working in so depth. I used to visit their office once every week. And with my schedule, the reason of me going there once every week is because I was not just learning performance, I was learning business over there. Again, I have said this many times, but I don't know how to make person of ₹1 crore salary work. And that is what I learned with Lenskart, and that is what we learn from these kind of podcasts and these kind of conversations. But they have to be unfiltered, which I think this was. Okay, so if you're watching the video till the end, I hope you like it, because it was a very honest opinion from my side, because we also do the similar stuff, and I also believe a lot in people, and this conversation was a lot about people. So yeah, thank you for watching the video till the end. Take care and have a nice day. See you every morning at 7 a.m. Bye.